As predicted, Greenland experienced massive ice melts this week, scientists say. Now, headlines are going to be hitting across the mainstream media about Greenland's massive ice melt. In fact, this article alone lies to you blatantly. The third biggest ice loss for Greenland in a single day. That might be true, but it means nothing in the big picture. It also says that 12 gigatons flowing into the ocean. That's not true based on the data. Just about 8 gigatons, maybe 9. And we reported on the last 12 weeks of record ice gain on Greenland on the 40-year average. In the fact, the last 8 weeks, and 6 of those were above the baseline here, where typically in the summer, Greenland melts. This year, for 6 weeks, ice was building 5 gigatons, 3 gigatons a day in some instances. And now for 2 days, it's actually melting below baseline, and it's headline stories. This is the global warming alarmists cherry-picking data that means nothing. Are they going to tell you about the 12 weeks of massive ice gains, including this 13 gigaton spike here going into the melt season, which completely negates this embarrassing 9 gigaton melt spike here in the summer? No, they won't tell you, because it's the summer of bummer and nonsense. Climate change has become real. Extreme weather sinks prime U.S. tourism site. They're talking about a lake that's controlled by a dam that they take out more water than flows in. It has nothing to do with climate change and everything to do with greedy water managers. Nothing to do with climate change. If you take more water out of a lake than flows in, well, guess what happens? You drain the lake and you destroy tourism. Nothing to do with climate change. It appears to be mutating into a totalitarian dictatorship. What say you? I just said it. Are you picking it up? Share this with like-minded people. Become a Patreon. Be a patriot. Be a hero. No. That's boom.